Hello everyone. So if you want to get an iPhone widget on your Android phone, here's how to do that. So first of all, of course, let's open up our Play Store. Let's tap on our search button at the bottom. Let's hit our search tab and let's search for iOS widgets. After that, locate your desired applications. There are many of different ones. I'm gonna go with this one. There's also an option to install an iOS launcher, so everything will look in iOS style. However, it's a bit different topic, which I will leave for later. Now let's press open. Give all the necessary permissions for this application to function. So, as this application is free, you may see some amount of advertisements. Don't be too scared of it. It's fine. Just simply skip them when you'll have a chance. Now let's press widgets. So there are many different widgets. Choose the one you want to add. For example, you want to add this weather one. Simply tap on it and let's watch some advertisement. And you see, every move in this application is gonna be concealed with advertisements. Unlikely. All right. So let's give all the necessary permissions for this application to function. Now choose the transparency. Choose the size of it. I'm gonna go with this one. Choose the temperature, Fahrenheit or Celsius, and choose the desired location. I'll set it on Paris. You can set it on the location that suits you. It has all of the cities. Press watch head, or once again, you can add up for 50 gems if you want to. Now let's just wait when our advertisement is going to be over. It's almost over. There was a lot of advertisement. Press add. I'll skip this part and now simply adjust it. I'll keep it in this size. And basically that's it. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.